Hi, this is Anastasia and I'm wishing all the mothers a happy Mother's Day. Now I'm going to read you a poem which is entitled Strolling in the Rain. Let's begin. Baby, I love to walk in the rain with you under a big umbrella. What a pretty picture with it. I'm strolling to and fro with my baby. We just communicate, chilling. I love you, want you. I love you and you're my best friend. My love will always be with you. I love you, my dear. So brisk, so kind, so free. We are just walking in the rain. I love you. This is Anastasia Bridgers, and I just recited Strolling in the Rain. You can catch my books on Amazon.com, eBay, Barnes & Nobles, or wherever books are sold. And to all the mothers, I wish you a happy Mother's Day and a blessed one. Love you, Anastasia Bridgers.